This is how to play Umuhle by xoli. The original key of the song is the key of D sharp, or you can call it E flat. And in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to play the song using the original key, okay? Without any waste of time, let's jump straight to it. I'm gonna start first by playing the song to you guys, and then I'll break it down after, okay? I don't know the lyrics of the song. If I sing it wrong, please forgive me, okay? So it says, Nkulunkulu emihlolo menzi wobuhle and it goes to izinkanyezi nalilanga and it goes to Umuhle Baba Unkulunkulu Baba Siyavumela Umuhle Baba. Okay, so let's break it down. Our song starts right here on this chord. This is E flat major, or you can call it D sharp major, and it's an inversion. It's a second inversion. Okay, it is also known as our number one. Okay, it's also known as our number one. From here it comes here to F minor, or you can call it our number two. Okay, because on the major scale of the key of D sharp, our number two is a minor. Okay, and it's F. It's F minor. Okay, so it's 1, 2, back to 1, and then it goes to 6, which is C minor, and it's also an inversion. It's a second inversion. It's our number 6. From number 6 it goes to 5, B flat major, and then it goes to 4, A flat major. Okay, A flat major. Let's repeat it again. 1, 2, 1, 6, 5, 4. Okay, so just on that part we're gonna introduce the bass. Okay, forget about the left hand for now. So when you hit the first chord on the right, on the left you go to 1, and then you're gonna go to 2 when you hit 2, 3 when you go back to 1, and then when you go to 6 you just go with the right hand. 6, 5, 4. Okay, it's quite easy. Let's repeat it again. 1, 2, 3, 6, 5, 4. Okay, and then on the second part you're gonna play the same thing. You're gonna go to 1. Also on the right you're gonna do the same thing. 1, and then 2, 3. From here you're gonna go to 5. Sorry, 4, and then 5, and then go to 1. Okay, let me sing it so that you don't get confused. Nkulunkulu emihlolo menzi wobuhle. Second part. Nane nina ujwayekile akwenze nsulu. I hope you got it. So you're gonna go to izinkanyezi nalilanga. So it starts right here on this chord. This is our number 4. It's a G sharp major chord, but it's an inversion. Okay, remember we played it down here. Okay, it comes here. From here it comes here, and then from here it comes to G sharp major. From G sharp major it comes here, and then you come here. I won't be explaining all the chords to you guys. I don't want to make this video too long. Okay, so from here you come here. From here I'm just going to do it slow for the last time. You come here. Izinkanyezi nalilanga zifakazela. Okay, and then from here you're gonna play the same thing that you played on your first part. Na na ni ni na na ni ni na na. The only thing that changes when you hit this chord is your bass. You go to number 2 instead of going to number 4. You go to number 2. Na ne ne, and then you go to 5. Na na. Let's start again. Let's start it on Izinkanyezi, and let me show you the bass. Izinkanyezi. You go to number 4, 3, 3. Okay, 6 and 5. It's 4, 3, 3, 6, 6, 5. Okay, let me start from the beginning. Second part. Izinkanyezi. Let's go. Izinkanyezi nalilanga zifakazela. I hope you got it. If you didn't see it, just try to pause the video where you didn't see the chord, and then you will take it from there. Okay? Na na ne ni na ni na 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 ni na. And then from here you're gonna play the same thing that you played on your first part. Na 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 ni na na ni ni na. But the only thing that changes here is you don't go to your number 4, because remember on the first part and the second part we went to 4, 5, and then 6, 1. Sorry, we went to 4, 5, and 1. But here, when you hit this chord, which is your number 4, on the right you're gonna go to 2. This is called a slash chord. Okay, it's 4/2, because on the right we are pressing our number 4, and on the left we are on our number 2. This is 1/4. Okay, from here you wanna come here to 5 and then to 1. Let's play it. Let's play that last part. Izinkanyezi nalilanga zifakazela. And then na ni ni ne. Sorry, na 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 ne ni ne na ne na ne ne. Sorry, let's make it simple. Na ne ne ni ni. Okay, and then from there you're gonna go to Umuhle. It starts right here. Umuhle, muhle baba. It goes to 4. Muhle baba. From 4 it goes to 1. Umkulu baba. And then from here you wanna say siyavume, siyavumelana umuhle baba. Okay, we're gonna try to do it slow. Umuhle, muhle baba. Umkulu baba. Siyavumela. Okay, siyavumela umuhle baba. For the last time. And siyavumelana umuhle baba. Okay, Please just take your time and practice this. You'll get it. Okay, so let's start from the beginning and play the whole thing. Again, second part. Nani